For some of you, I prophesy to you, between now and Sunday, I stand by the God of heaven and I decree and declare, every day of this week will open you up to a new chapter of strange manifestation. Hear me. By reason of this grace you carry, there are battles you will not need to fight. The jealousy of God will arise and fight it for you. Where your father could not cross, where your mother could not cross, hear me, what limited your father, what limited your mother, what limited those who had gone ahead of you, I stand by the rod of the apostolic and the prophetic. I scatter it before you right now. I scatter it before you right now, in the name of Jesus Christ.